In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Webex account. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Webex. You can use any search engine you like, such as Google or Bing. As you type Webex into the search bar, you will see various results related to Webex's services. This step is crucial because it helps you access the official Webex site. It ensures that you are getting the most accurate and up-to-date information. Once you have your search results, you can move on to the next step. Next, click on the correct link that leads you to the official Webex website. Look for the link that usually includes the words Webex and Cisco, as Cisco owns Webex. This is important to confirm that you are on the right site. Clicking the correct link will take you directly to the homepage where you can begin the registration process. You will know you're on the right page when you see the Webex logo prominently displayed. Once you are on the Webex homepage, look for the button that says Sign Up, It's Free, or Start for Free, located in the top right corner. This button is designed to attract new users, making it easy for you to begin creating your account. By clicking on this button, you are initiating the process to set up your new Webex account. This step is essential because it leads you to the registration options available for new users. Now you can choose an accelerated registration method using your existing Google, Apple, or Microsoft identity provider credentials. This option allows you to sign up quickly without needing to fill out a long form. If you select this method, you'll be prompted to log in with your existing credentials. This little step saves you a lot of time later as it streamlines the registration process. Alternatively, if you prefer not to use existing credentials, you can enter your business or personal email address directly into the provided field and click Continue with Email. This option allows you to create a new account using an email address of your choice. Make sure to use an email that you have access to, as you will need it for the next steps. This flexibility ensures that you can register in a way that best suits your needs. Now check your email inbox for an automated activation message from Webex. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you do not see it in your main inbox within a few minutes. The email usually includes a one-time PIN, so copy and paste it if prompted. This step is critical because it verifies your email and secures your new account. You should see a clear indication in the email that it is from Webex, which will reassure you that you are on the right track. After confirming your email, enter your full name and create a password. Then click the Next button to proceed. Make sure your password is strong and secure to protect your account. This step is vital because it sets up your account's identity, ensuring that only you can access it. You are now getting closer to fully establishing your Webex account. Finally, you will see a message indicating that your account has been created successfully. This confirmation is essential as it assures you that you have completed the registration process. You can now start using your Webex account for meetings, webinars, and other collaborative efforts. Don't forget to save your login details somewhere secure so you can easily access your account in the future. Congratulations, you are now ready to explore all that Webex has to offer.